In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and send an email campaign. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating your campaign settings, making precise updates, and getting your message out at the right time. First, head to the left sidebar and click Campaigns. This is your central hub for all active, scheduled, and draft campaigns. If you have a long list, take a moment to scan by name or status to quickly spot the one you want to adjust. Next, locate the specific campaign you want to edit. When you see it, click directly on the campaign name to open it. Avoid clicking the three-dot menu here, because that opens shortcuts rather than the full editor you need for detailed changes. Inside the campaign, you'll see sections you can edit. Start with Recipients or Audience if you need to change who will receive the email. Make sure you're targeting the right list or segment, and double-check that the estimated recipient count looks correct. If your audience is segmented, confirm that the criteria still match your intent, especially if this is a recurring campaign. Move on to From Name and Email to update the sender details. Use a sender name your audience recognizes, and keep the email address consistent with your brand for better trust and deliverability. Small tweaks here can make a noticeable difference in open rates. Next, refine the subject and preview text. Keep the subject line clear and focused, and use the preview text to complement it. Think of it as the short line that appears next to the subject in inboxes. Aim for concise, compelling language that sets the right expectation without sounding spammy. Remember that many people read on mobile, so shorter often works better. Then, open the content section to edit the design and text of your email. Check headlines, body copy, images, and buttons. Verify every link, review spacing and alignment, and make sure your message is easy to scan. Add alt text to images for accessibility, and ensure the layout looks good on both desktop and mobile. Consistent colors, fonts, and tone will reinforce your brand. After you edit a section, click Save. Get into the habit of saving as you go to prevent losing changes, especially after substantial edits. When everything looks right, you have two options: Send or Schedule. Choose Send to deliver immediately, or pick Schedule to set a specific date, time, and time zone for a planned launch. Give your setup one last glance before confirming. That's it. Simple, structured, and ready to go. Follow these steps each time to keep your campaigns accurate, on brand, and perfectly timed.